The Syrian government must stop shooting demonstrators and allow peaceful protests. They must release political prisoners and stop unjust arrests. The people of Egypt have rights that are universal. That includes the right to peaceful assembly and association, the right to free speech, and the ability to determine their own destiny. These are human rights, and the United States will stand up for them everywhere. Some nations may be able to turn a blind eye to atrocities in other countries. The United States of America is different. There are times in the course of history when the actions of ordinary citizens spark movements for change because they speak to a longing for freedom that has been building up for years.